Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Nkr Price Prediction and Nkr news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Nkr in 2022. Ankr is an Ethereum token powered by the Ankr WEB3 infrastructure platform, which serves as a decentralized financial platform for cross-chain staking. It is designed to make working in the blockchain ecosystem simple and affordable. In it, you can create decentralized applications, run nodes and participate in staking. The Ankr token is used to pay for services on the Ankr platform, such as API services and node deployment, and also acts as insurance for network members, and allows participation in blockchain governance. The Ankr network was founded in 2017 at the University of California at Berkeley as a distributed computing platform that takes advantage of blockchain technology. Co-founder Chandler Sung was an engineer at Amazon Web Services and is now CEO of Ankr, while co-founder Ryan Fang was an investment banker at Morgan Stanley. So let's talk about Ankr. Finance redefined. DeFi Godfather Crunch quits, Cake launches $100 million venture arm and more. In this week's DeFi newsletter, we will look at the Andre Crunch debacle, the Polygon upgrade, the rise of Thorchain, and the growing value of the DeFi ecosystem with synthetic assets. The decentralized finance, DeFi, ecosystem had quite an eventful week with several new developments and price action. The week started with DeFi godfather Andre Crunch announcing his departure from most of his projects, leading to a massive drop in prices of projects that Crunch was associated with. Cake DeFi launched a new $100 million venture fund to support WEB3 initiatives. Thorchain spiked over 34% after activating synthetic assets, and Polygon network suffered an extended outage post-new upgrade that impacted its price momentum. DeFi Godfather Crunch quits as TVL and tokens tank for related projects. DeFi architect, Phantom Foundation technical advisor and Yearn.finance founder Andre Crunch has left the decentralized finance space reeling after deactivating his Twitter account. Crunch's longtime colleague at the Phantom Foundation Anton L. stated in a Sunday tweet that both he and Crunch were leaving the crypto space entirely. However, concerns arose about the fate of roughly 25 decentralized applications, dApps, and services they have been operating up to now. Among the affected apps and services are Yearn.fi, KEP3R Network, Multichain.xyz, Chainless.org, Bribe.crv.finance, and the new Solidly.exchange. DeFi architect, Phantom Foundation technical advisor, and Yearn.finance founder Andre Crunch has left the decentralized finance, DeFi, space reeling after deactivating his Twitter account. Crunch's longtime colleague at the Phantom Foundation Anton L. stated in a Sunday tweet that both he and Crunch were leaving the crypto space entirely. However, concerns arose about the fate of the roughly 25 decentralized applications, dApps, and services they have been operating up to now. Among the affected apps and services are Yearn.fi, KEP3R Network, Multichain.xyz, Chainless.org, Bribe.crv.finance, and the new Solidly.exchange. The community's reaction to Nell's announcement has been generally sympathetic, as many understand that the duo likely needed a mental break from the immense rigors of their work. Other disgruntled investors have not been so kind with their words as token prices and TVL tanks. Phantom CEO Michael Kong clarified the consequences of Crunch's and Nell's stepping down. Although Crunch was instrumental in founding many projects, Kong said in a Monday tweet that these projects are not closing down development. Some of them have been running independently for years. The lead developer at Yearn.finance, Bantig, also chimed in to assure users and investors that Andre's leaving was of little consequence to the day-to-day operation of the DeFi yield aggregator. The price of Yearn, EFI, and Phantom, FTM, crashed immediately following Nell's tweet. EFI is currently down about 10% to $18,187, while FTM is down 20% to $1.33, according to CoinGecko. Although the total value lock, TVL, at Yearn has remained fairly steady at $3 billion, Phantom TVL is down 40% since March 3 to $7.16 billion. The TVL of Crunch's latest project, Solidly, has dropped 68% since Thursday to $735 million today, according to DeFiLama. Crunch has been one of the most influential characters in DeFi since its rise to prominence within the crypto space. His contributions to the industry have been so profound that market analyst at DeFi Edge on Twitter lamented his leaving and said Andre Crunch is the godfather of DeFi in a Sunday tweet. Signs that Crunch was planning to leave the space became abundantly clear last week when all of his tweets were deleted from his account, followed by full deactivation. Core member of Wonderland, Time, and Abracadabra. Money, Mim, Donny Sessa signed on to do the marketing for Crunch's latest project, Solidly. And at the end of the video, we will traditionally make a small forecast for the next couple of years. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Ankr, ANKR, a good investment? How much will Ankr be worth in 2025? Or how much will Ankr be worth 10 years from now? Nkr Price Prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, Nkr price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $0.096 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.086, with a maximum price of $0.096 for 2022. Nkr Price Forecast 2023. It looks like by 2023, Ankr, ANKR, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be 12 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Ankr's maximum price could be up to 15 cents in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Ankr Rate Forecast 2024. The current price range of Ankr may be of interest to many traders, and therefore ANKR could reach $0.20 by 2024 with significant cooperation from financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of 17 cents for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Nkr Price Prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Ankr could cross 29 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around 25 cents. ANKR, Price Prediction 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Ankr will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2026, ANKR is expected to peak at 42 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 35 cents if the market turns bullish. Ankr Course Prediction 2027. ANKRs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Ankr, the price could rise much higher. By 2027, it may reach a maximum value of 60 cents. ANKR is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2027 could end with an average price of 52 cents, a minimum price of 51 cents, and a maximum price of 60 cents. ANKR Rate Prediction 2028. ANKR will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Ankr rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the Ankr rate will be almost 73 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 88 cents. Ankr average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 75 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. ANKR Price Prediction 2029. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term ANKR price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2029 could end with an average bid of $1.11 and a minimum bid of $1.08. The maximum bet is expected to be around $1.27. ANKR Price Prediction 2030. The value of Ankr will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2030 is bullish. ANKR is expected to reach a maximum rate of $1.86 by the end of 2030, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Ankr's future will eventually grow.